Concrete pad is poured and it's dry now. It's probably the cleanest that you'll ever see it. And the carport came in the mail today, so let's get it built. That's better. To make sure that I'm covered in this Oregon rain. Hot stuff out here, cold stuff in there. Plus, Pepe Le Squish got a little bit of an upgrade. And I needed to figure out something with this door because it used to open like this. So now I made it open like a barn door. It's a mess. I'll get to it. There's no handle for this door. So let's make one. And there you have it, one handle. So yeah, the forge is coming along nicely. I just need an electrician to come in to hook up power for this so I can get back to Damascus. In the meantime, I'm going to be forging things like this, little hooks and like hairpins and all of the fun stuff that's pretty easy to forge. Stuff that doesn't require the big power tools. So let me know which forged thing you want to see made.